Hey everyone, welcome back to Quizian, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for mastering Google Sheets. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to split a single cell into multiple columns using a simple formula. Let's get started. Sometimes you may have data in a single cell that you need to separate into multiple columns. For example, let's say we have a list of full names in column A, but we want to split them into first and last names in separate columns. To do this, we'll use the split function. Simply click on the cell where you want the split data to begin and type the formula equals split, left parenthesis, A1 right parenthesis, comma space, right parenthesis. Here, A1 is the cell containing the data we want to split, and the space is the separator. You can also use commas, hyphens, or any other delimiter based on your data. Once you hit enter, Google Sheets will automatically separate the content into different columns based on the specified delimiter. To apply this to multiple rows, just drag the fill handle down, and it will automatically split all the data in the column. And that's it! A quick and easy way to split cells into multiple columns in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.